What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add glow in Photopea. So let's get right into it. Go to the magic wand tool on the left side, right click and select Object Selection. Select your object or image you want to add the glow. Once your image is selected, press Ctrl J 3 times to create 3 layers. Select Layer 1 copy and change it from normal to screen. Select Layer 1 and hold Shift and select all 3 layers. Right-click and press Convert to Smart Object. Now find the eyedropper option and click on your image to select its glow color. As you can see, we've selected orange for its glow. Hover over to the layer style and select Outer Glow. Choose your color option for your gradient and your color on the color box. For the opacity, turn it up to 100%. For the spread, turn it up to 7%. For the size, turn it up to 200%. As you can see, we're starting to give it some glow. You can always tweak the settings, as this is just an example to give you an idea. And for the range, turn it up to 82%. And click OK. Now press Ctrl J again to duplicate this layer. On this new layer, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Turn up the radius all the way up to 400, press OK and change the normal option to soft light. And that's it guys, how to add glow in Photopea. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.